Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lab, which is the lab that focuses on select a memory by site. Here is the scenario. You work at a computer repair store. You are building a computer using a spare part. You need to install the correct memory module for the computer. In this lab, your task is to do what is actually listed down here. So the first thing is that we have to examine the motherboard memory slot and memory modules available in the inventory to find the correct memory. So whenever you are dealing with something that's supposed to be connected to the memory, you have to, it's something that's supposed to be connected to the motherboard, you have to read the motherboard documentation. That is not only in this lab, it should be any time that you are trying to connect something. So the same is true. That's what we are going to do. So let's start with that. First, we can go into motherboard, and as we see, there's no single memory that connected into the memory slot. So this is the where the memory is supposed to be go. So we can zoom in to check what this look like and if there's any information that we can able to see into here. So I just want to maximize down here. So before we even read the motherboard information, so as you see down here, so there's DIM, which is B1, B2, which is A1, A2. That means there's 4 different type of memory slot that we can able to go into. So that what very much is B1 and B2, A1 and A2, which means if you are going to install 4 different type of memory, very much it should be like 2 types. So the 2 of them is B type and the other one is 2 type, so which is sometimes it's identified by the color, but like for this one, you can able to see how it's slightly different. So this is kind of really dark, and this is a little bit, even though it's black, but it's kind of brown or a little bit light. And this is also very dark, and this one is a little bit light. So that is kind of maybe helping out to understand how it's different. So that is the structure that we can able to see. But most importantly, what you need to do is you have to read the instruction, which is like what we can see the motherboard documentation. So we have to go through here, and as you see here, the memory slot is number 5. So if we go to number 5, which is right here, so we have DDR4, which is diable data rate 4 for the dual inline memory module slot. That is where it's supposed to be go. So if you don't know what DIM, that is mostly for desktop. So where the SODIMM is for laptop. So that's the type of memory modules that you need to understand. So as we see here, that's the only one that we can able to use. So The instructions say install a single memory module in motherboard. It doesn't say like 2, 3. If it's like the 2, 3, or all 4 of them, we have to have 4 different type of DDR4. So since it says only one, and what we have right there is only DDR4, not 5, not 6. Oh, I mean, like there's no 6 actually. There's only 1 to up to 5. So we have 4. So we have to go over here to the memory. As you see, the first one is just DR, which is no number, and the other one is DR2, which is EC. That is mostly for another different type of memory that used to correct any error, which is the error correction. And the other type 2 is just a regular one. And there's type 3 names, like different modules or different form. So finally, we have RD4. Says there's only one. So we most probably go with this. So in order to do that, we have to go back to the memory. And I think we can put anywhere because it will be work. This doesn't matter because we have just one. Let's see. Well, it's not going the fourth one. Very much it's not really going to the fourth one because let me try one more time. Do I pick the right one? Let's see. The fourth one. All right, it go right there. So it's just like I put the wrong one. So that will be conclude this lab because it's just one single memory that we just need to put there. It's nothing else. So in order to check if we are successful in install the memory, we have to score the lab and see what we done. All right, as you see, our score is 100%. That is very much that's it for this lab. And thank you for watching and see you in next lab.